everyone. And of course, I'm now showing our wonderful 2025 Starbucks planner. And syempre, gusto kong pakita sa inyo ang ating unboxing. Just to inform you guys, for this 2025 Starbucks Tradition Collection, so we have of course, this one, the 2025 Sable Planner with pouch. So later, I'll also show you, since we also have the turquoise tumbler, the indigo tumbler, the turquoise cold cup, and also the indigo cold cup. So let's open this. Yan. So, if you notice, wala siya yung kagaya ng mga dati na meron parang sticker wherein you can just pull it out to open it. So, may sira siya kanina kaya madali ko lang siyang na-open. No need for scissors anymore. So, it's inside this white box, a beautiful box, as always. And then, if you open it, yan, kala mo naman may kukoko, no? Alright, so if you open it, syempre nakarap pa siya sa black na wrapper. There. So, here you go. Our Sable Planner. And this is the pouch. Yan, and of course, with the Starbucks logo. Ang makikita nyo dyan. And then, ayan. So, it's dark blue. Parang siyang terno nung indigo na tumbler na may white. So, when you open it, ayan, tanggalin na natin to. So, meron pa siyang pocket sa harapan. And then, meron siya, of course, na free na ballpen. So, nakabalot pa siya sa loob. There you go. Yan. Actually, mas gusto ko yung ganito na para lang siyang notebook. Compare dun sa last year na ang taba na yung organizer kasi malaking nakakain sa bag. Gusto ko pa naman siya laging dala. Yan. So, open na natin siya. So, manipis lang siya talaga, as in wala na siyang mga iba pang kasama. Unlike before na merong mga pa-freebies or stickers, now, as in totally planner lang siya. And, of course, the pouch and the pen. Ayan. And, if you notice, ang ganda, ang smooth niyang tingnan. And then, with this paper clip na star, what I meant, yung hindi naman yung smooth, yung mismong planner, sorry. But ang ganda lang. Ang ganda sa pakiramdam no texture. Yon ang ibig kong sabihin. And of course, this is the pen. Syempre, naka-plastic pa siya. Ayan. So, unlike last year na meron pa kayong option kung ano yung color na kukunin nyo para sa planner. Because this year, so, isa lang siya. Ayan. Yan. Yan siya. Okay. There. Okay. And of course, this is the 2025 planner. Tanggalin na muna natin si star na paper clip. Yan, cute. Cute lang siya. Yan. Diyan na muna siya. Then, meron siyang nakalagay na ganun to close it. So, of course, we have the 2025 calendar and also the 2026. Ayan. Okay. Tingnan ko nga to. Ano ba to? So, syempre, tingnan natin. Of course, there are a lot of drawings. As you can see. Syempre, hanapin natin ang birthday month ko. So, for my birthday month, of course, it's June. Yan. And, of course, the birthday month of June, it's breakfast blend ang ano niya. So, it bright start to your mornings. Yes. So, me, charet. So, ayan siya. So, this is our 2025 Sable Planner. Right. So, cute. Cute lang siya. Yan. And of course, lagay ko na lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko pa ito lalagay. Dito na lang siya. For now. But I don't think na gagamitin ko yan dyan. Ito rin, dahil ang dami ko pang ballpen. Diyos ko. Yan. So, kung mahilig kayo lang mag-coffee and effortless ang pag-iipon sa inyo, for sure, nakuha nyo rin to nito. And of course, this one. There you go. And this is the turquoise tumbler. There you go. So, I really like the color kasi para siyang Tiffany blue. Right? So, ang ganda lang niya. Though it's small, talagang super small siya talagang small siya eh. Pero, napaka-cute pa rin niya. So, 16.5 ounces lang siya. Diba? Pero ang cute-cute niya. And super, kasyang-kasya siya sa aking work bag. But of course, ito naman, ang iba pa naming nakuha. Of course, the indigo tumbler. Yan. Open natin siya. Same, it's a 16.5 ounces din siya. Si mommy naman ang gumagamit nito. Yan. Cute. And this one, it's the turquoise cold cup. It's 24 ounces. Si Ate Heisey naman. And of course, the other one, which is the indigo cold cup. Si Ate Feli naman ang gumagamit. If you notice, itong indigo is yung logo and the turquoise one is the name of the Starbucks. And of course, binilhan na nila ng takip. Bye!